So, please tell me about yourself.
Okay. I'm Umesh Nikam, currently working in cognizant technologies.
Mhm.
I have 6 years of IT experience. Uh, I involve in design, managing, and testing the applications. I work on different domains like logistics,
Mhm.
banking, and e-commerce as well. My current project name is Titan. The client is Grafigata.
Mhm.
So total, I have experience on this Hibernate as well.
Okay. So, have you worked on microservices,
Yes,
Spring Boot,
yes, I work on that.
and you have knowledge about JPA, Hibernate,
Yes, yes.
and database?
Yes, I worked on Oracle as well, MySQL.
Okay. So now, next question we have regarding to some development process. So,
Okay.
have you worked on agile methodology?
Yes, I work on.
So, how do you prioritize that task? Can you give the answer about this question?
Okay. For Agile methodology, in our project, the sprint, we are assigning the sprint. The sprint timeline is 2 weeks. So,
Mm-hmm.
that sprint, the description is mentioned here. Means what should we have to implement. Based on that description, we are working on that. Like, if we want to work on the feature, or if we want to work more work. So, based on
So which kind of technology have you used? Which kind of tools?
uh, for development purpose, I'm using the IntelliJ IDE.
IntelliJ ID? No, no, I'm not asking about the IntelliJ
Okay.
because of agile process how
Jira,
will
Jira,
work.
Jira tool where it's.
Jira tool.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so how to report, how to communicate, and which task need to be first. How do you prioritize on this all this task which is need to be complete, which is need to be look the second priority?
Okay. Uh, if there is any production issue,
Mm-hmm.
it is then we have to parade first for that
Okay.
production issues,
Okay.
and after that we are working on the any bug kind of on that, and
Okay.
then we can go for the development, any new feature or that.
Okay. So my next question to
Hmm.
you, suppose you have development process. So
Okay.
development, because of you are working in microservices, so have this is the horizontal component. So
Okay.
that component you are deploying in some different kind of servers. So how do you agile process follow here?
In our project, there is a special team for the deployment, that is the DevOps team.
Mm-hmm.
So, as a developer, we need to write the process, the release process. We
Mm-hmm.
need to prepare the documents, and
Mm-hmm.
that document is sent to the DevOps teams.
Mm-hmm.
We have to create a ticket for that. So, we are attaching the requirement, all the document, releasing the release document. In that, all the properties was mentioned there, means the environment properties and all this stuff.
So are you using Jenkins pipeline?
Actually, in our project team city is used.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so next question. You know the basic concept of TypeScript.
TypeScript, I am not aware of that, but I have little knowledge.
Okay.
TypeScript is it is a type language, means
Mm-hmm.
we need to declare before use that.
Mm-hmm. And shell script, just like suppose you have some shell script you want to write because of here if you are using any tools for
Mhm.
deploying
Mhm.
application in DevOps, so here in your project level have some script type script
Yes,
based on
yes.
the pickup
Mhm.
that environmental and other things whatever you are preparing how to prepare it to deployment process.
Mhm.
So in that scenario what process you follow?
If there are some such script files are there,
Mm-hmm.
so actually haven't worked on that shell script, but I have the knowledge about shell script. It is used for the scripting purpose.
Mm-hmm. So
Uh,
you know the basic concept of command.
yes, grep command is there for checking the logs. We
For
are using the
okay,
grep
okay,
command.
okay.
Then tail command is there.
Mm-hmm. So now I'm moving in microservices. So what is advantage? What is disadvantage of microservices?
The main advantages of microservices is that we are creating this separate project for the separate process.
Mm-hmm.
So if one process fails, sorry, if one service fails, it will not impact the other service.
Mm-hmm.
Also, if there is any minor change on a particular service, we
Mm-hmm.
can deploy that service. So there is no need to deploy other services. But when we are going for the monolithic application, in that we need to deploy whole the application if there are any changes.
Mm-hmm.
Then microservices process, we are using the different databases for different microservices, particular services.
Other questions. What kind of design pattern have you followed?
Design pattern, generally we are using following the MVC, singleton,
No, no,
uh,
no, 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 no. This is not a part of microservices.
solid principle. Yeah.
Solid principle it is a part of architecture,
Okay.
right? Design
Mhm.
pattern have suppose you have 100 APIs, so you never keep in mind your IP address of 100 servers.
Right, right.
So what pattern you will follow?
Mm. Actually, I'm not getting. Can you please?
Design pattern, design. You know the microservices design pattern.
Uh, Marxist design pattern.
You know gateway API, circuit
Yes,
breaker.
yes. Yeah, yeah. API gateway is there.
So how it is work? Suppose you.
Uh, when client request comes, it will redirect to the API gateway.
Mm-hmm.
Based on the routings, it will redirect to the different services.
Mm-hmm.
And we are using the Eureka server, Eureka discovery server, to register the services here. So
Mm-hmm.
when all the services are up, it will self-register to the Eureka server.
And
So
you know about the circuit breaker,
yes, I know this.
how it is work.
Generally, circuit breaker is used when there are any failures. In that case, we are calling the fallback methods. If any services fail, so
Mm-hmm.
there are particular time we are threshold value, right? If
Mm-hmm.
service is trying to hit and it is failed, after the threshold value, it will open the circuit and call the fallback method.
Okay. So what is disadvantage of this microservices?
The disadvantage of microservices is that the managing the microservices it is very complex task because
Mm.
we need to manage each and every services and also it requires a huge team for the managing. So it is a cost effective.
Mm-hmm. Uh, One more thing regarding to Springboard. You know, Springboard have a one annotation like that Springboard application annotation. What is work of this?
The Spring Boot application it is a combination of three annotations that is enable the configuration.
Mm-hmm.
Component scan is there,
Mm-hmm.
the configuration, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it is an entry point of our application.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so
Okay, okay, okay. Got it, got it.
okay.
So in Springboard, you know, you are working on some by default it is having a singleton class, right?
Mhm.
So singleton class is thread safe in if you are writing code in Springboard.
It is not thread sir.
Okay, right. So you know the scope variable of Springboard scope variables.
Yes, yes. There are different scopes for Spring Mill.
Yeah.
That is prototype, singleton,
Hmm.
then session, request, and one more is that is global.
Global session. Okay.
Yeah.
So you know the profile annotation, what is work of this?
Yes, in Spring Boot we are using the profile. Suppose when I developing the project, there are multiple environments we are using like development, test, or prod, right?
Hmm.
So if for this different environment have the different properties, right? So
Mm-hmm.
to maintain this different, we are creating the different profiles and we are using the profile annotation to activate which profile we want to use.
Okay. Next question regarding to a database.
Okay.
So you know about union, unional, intersection. What is role of this?
Union all and interception are used for the suppose we want the combined results. In that case, we are using the union
Mm-hmm.
or union all. And if we are using the Cartesian product, we are using the intercept.
And how many types of join?
There are like left join, right join is there.
Mm-hmm.
That means self join is there. Uh, then left outer, right outer.
And inner join?
Inner join is there also. Yeah.
Okay. So you know in how do club two tables data? Suppose you already have applied two cases. One is you in one query you have inner join,
Mm-hmm.
and second tables have also have inner join. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And I want to club both. Have some different conditions like that. You can set where conditions
Mm-hmm.
like that. Where conditions for any other columns condition, and second tables have any other columns conditions
Mm-hmm.
like that. Where is equal to column name is equal to something, and column
Right.
2 is equal to something. Okay, inner join.
Mm-hmm.
I want to club it this two data in
Mm-hmm.
single query. So what things you will prefer to club it both, and you collect the all data.
Okay. For clubbing the two table data, first we should have one common properties.
Mm.
Based on this, we are using the joins for that.
Hmm. So now I'm moving in core Java. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
So in core Java, you know about the date API in stream.
Sorry.
Date API. Date.
Data. Yeah. I
Yeah.
understand. Yeah.
What is use of this? Because of date API, date is have already available in a util package in previous version. So why
Yes.
it is modified? What is objective of that?
Okay. So data API, when we are using the data API, basically before it was in UT package,
Mm-hmm.
but now Java it also provides some new data API, the deployer. So it has the methods, different methods, which are we can like actually, I'm not aware the exact difference between, but for old date API, you need to import the whole util package. Sorry, it is in a util package.
Okay. So about the optional class.
Yes, optional class is there. Optional class is used to handle the null values.
Mm-hmm.
Means if the method returns the null value, when we are using the optional, it
Mm-hmm.
will not throw the null pointer exception.
Mm-hmm.
It has no method. If present, we can use that. If present or else, we can return the difference appropriate message.
So how many types of exceptions?
Um, there are generally two type of exception, that is checked exception and unchecked exception.
Okay.
The checked exception, it is like detected at compile time, and unchecked exception detected at runtime.
Mm-hmm. So runtime, can you give the example of runtime exception?
Runtime exception can go for the array index of out of bound or like that.
Oh, what is difference between true and throw keyword in exception class?
Okay, throw keyword is used to throw the keyword, sorry, throw the custom exception. With the help of new keyword, we can throw the exception.
Mm-hmm.
Throw exception is used to handle the exception if we are not handled by using try catch block. In that case, we are using the throws keyword with the method signature to throw the exception to the caller.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so you have how much experience?
Total IT experience is 6 years and Java 5 years experience.
Java 5 years. So what is difference between concurrency hash map and hash map?
Okay. Then we are trying to modify the elements while iterating in hash map. It will throw the concurrent modification exception. If you want to modify the exception, sorry, elements while iterating, we can go for the concurrent hash map. It is the thread set.
Uh, Suppose if I want to tell you, you have uh, two list. One is array list, one is a linked list. What cases you will use linked list, and in which cases you can use linked list?
Okay. Arrays is generally used for the if you want to accessing the element, you can go for the array list. But if you want to do some modification or adding or deleting the elements in middle, you can go for the linked list. That's best one.
Okay, so now I have last question to you. Can you write this program for sorting array? Suppose I am giving you array.
Okay.
Just 1 minute. One int array is equal to 3. Okay, so this is the array, this is the task. So you write the code for sorting it.
Okay. So we can directly use the arrays.sort as well.
No use. That is the meaning of writing the code. Okay, just you write on your logic. You don't use inbuilt function.
Okay, okay. We can go for loop.
You write this. If you complete this code, I will forward you for next round.
Okay, I'll try it. Actually, this I wasn't used before, so I'll try this. Because we are using mostly building functions, right? That's why.
No, this is simple. Sorting.
Yeah, I understand. This is simple.
Yeah, this is not a difficult. Just to write code. That's why because of here coding part is mandatory. This is you have written O. I think it is not a 0.
Sorry, sir. Zero.
No use less than equal because of if you are using I is equal to 0.
Yeah, it will be right. Yeah.
So it could be as a error index bound exception will generate. No, not -1.
Yeah. Sorry. One, two, Actually, here I will need 30 loops. Here, okay.
So J, where you use J?
Here, this.
No, J, I think it will be used. You want to use array for loop or any else if condition?
No, for.
So for loop,
Yeah.
okay.
J equal to 1.
No, why you will use 1? You use 0 if you start from 0.
Length minus 1.
Length spelling is correct or incorrect?
Length.
Why you write T?
Oh, sorry. Length.
And same you have it, yeah, right now.
J plus. Like that, we can use.
So here in array greater than I plus 1 you have written. Here it will be J or I. In if condition.
Okay, value of I. Here should be.
No, you just you array you check. You have parenthesis used.
Sorry. Here, J.
Okay. So and anywhere you have put it wrong, double equal.
Yeah, only we have assigning one equal here. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, right. So, last question to you. In Java, you know terminal operation and non-terminal operations.
Yes, in Java there is a intermediate and terminal operation there.
Hmm.
The intermediate operations returns the string
Hmm.
in the return, and the terminal operation returns the objects or the primitives. So this is the
Do
difference.
you know about the method name?
Yes, intermediate we can use the map. or filter, and the termination we can go for the count. Count is there.
Okay. Okay, so your name is
Umesh. Umesh.
Umesh. Okay, Umesh, I have done your interview. Because of that, I have only 30-minute process.
Okay.
So I will give your feedback to positive.
Sure, sure,
So
sure.
little bit you just improve your more technical skill for further round. Okay?
Sure, sure, sure.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Thanks for your time.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.